So here's the plan. So the kit that I bought comes with everything up to this point. And so this is supposed to bolt to the stock exhaust right here. See, it splits into the dual exhaust, but we don't want that crap. So we're gonna cut it off right here, and then we're going 4-inch, bro. So we got 4-inch, bro, and then we're going 4-inch single 4-inch up and over everything. It's gonna be tight. It's gonna be real tight. And then we're gonna come down, and then we're going 5-inch, bro. That's the plan, at least. Flex pipe right here, because there's no flex pipe at this point after the turbo. So I want to put a flex pipe in so that things don't shift around a lot, and put pressure on the turbo or move the tip around. I want it to stay where it's at. So that's the plan. Let's do it. The parts you'll need for this install. Flex pipe. So this is a 3-inch to 5-inch adapter, which I'm planning to cut in the middle so that we can use the 3 to 4-inch section for here, and then we'll use the 4 to 5-inch section for the tip. So we've got a straight piece, we got a U-bend, actually I have 2 U-bends, and then that'll go over the axle, and we got the 5-inch section, and this is all 304 stainless. We made, out of a 3-inch to 5-inch adapter, we made a 3 to 4 and then a 4 to 5 out of one piece. Perfect. I'm welding a 3 to 4-inch adapter to the flex pipe. Just tack welding it on.
This is where a friend would be helpful.
Yeah. Haven't been able to buy one yet. They haven't been on sale. It's gonna be so tight.
Oh, wow. Oh my.
It's gonna be so close to everything.
You could just be like on 3 and just have it come underneath.
I could.
Everything else is hanging down anyway. Screw it.
Am I actually considering this?
I've just made it up actually just 2 seconds ago. As a joke.
I was thinking about it, but I don't know. I think I should go into the axle. It's for performance. That's why.
Straight through. It's a straight pipe.
So like I think right now I'm gonna just cut like all that away, and then whatever's behind it in the way.
Yeah. What?
Yeah, now it's got plenty of clearance. Because that's like right where I want it.
So if you're doing this yourself, mark it about 8 inches back.
Yeah, when you're making your custom 4-inch to 5-inch for your Turbo Mustang.
This would apply to probably 0 people in the world.
up curve to go to the 5-inch.
Yeah, so that's gonna angle it up a 5-inch piece.
Yeah, angle it up because we got to bring it up to the outlet.
Yep.
So do like that. But that needs cut more. But 4 to 5-inch. Trimmed it back a little more so that it'll actually slip over the 4-inch perfect. So that'll give us some adjustment when we're putting the final tip 5-inch piece on. So I can kind of wiggle it around a little.